Looks like this guy is focused mostly on trams. He's not gonna be much of a threat if he keeps doing trams, because they make so little amounts of money. As you can see from my budget. Let's see. Tram income is 3,900 and train income 26,000. Could do a boat somewhere. Although it has to be pretty short because the only boat available is this damn thing, 20 miles per hour. Maybe from Detroit to Cleveland or something like that. Or Buffalo to Cleveland. Although that would be maybe quicker with buses. Except for this thing in the way. Another new company, Egbert. Evelyn. She is building something right now. Looks like a tram. Although Detroit is kind of small, not much passengers in there. Yeah, let's do Buffalo, Cleveland, Clipper. I wonder if these new ones are more expensive than the original duck. Nope. Which one to do? They all look so fancy. Maybe that one. It's like tall. Buffalo ducks. Gotta expand it. Another one. He's got the face that I used in the previous Let's Play. Tony Terrific is doing some kind of rail near Houston. Oh no, iron, damn it, that was my business. Where is he taking it? To this thing? Probably. Oh no, this fucker built another line here. Oh wait, it's another company. It's the brown one. Look at this fucking track, it's so wobbly all over the place. And he looks like he has two trains on it. Wow, massive curve here and then down there. Damn it. This is why I prefer playing without competitors, because they're so fast and annoying. Where the hell was I? Over here. Buffalo style. Jackson, someone built a tram line in there. Oh, it does fit here, come on. Well, this one does, huh? Looks like these new ones are taller. I guess I gotta do the original then if I want it here. Which I do. Cleveland Ducks. There we go. Clipper time. There you go. What the hell, my logo's back to black. I like changes every once in a while. Speaking of colors, I could do these, although... Oh, looks like I can choose any color, even though some of these companies have taken a lot of colors. Well, this one is now very limited to only the ones that are available. Looks like that one isn't, so let's put it back to white. Although I kinda don't want to use a different color for colors for those, because then it'll be more difficult to distinguish my vehicles from theirs. Still $8 grand loan. Let's put it to use somewhere. Actually, I need to take more loans, of course, if I want to build something. Yay, 16 miles per hour. Oh yeah, I was contemplating on where to take the steel. Of course, I could just do a truck here. That would be actually good to keep the ratings up. Although the distance is so crappy, they're not gonna be making any money. Let's do it anyway. Should I do a separate station already for like a loading? Because this one is currently only for unloading. Could be like somewhere here, like inside this mountain or something. Or maybe just I can always separate this later into 2 stations. Let's just do it here. Oops, damn it. Money wasted. With the itchy mouse finger. Or actually hand. It was a movement that made it go down. I guess they could go a bit farther to gain some speed and more money due to the distance. Right there. Cargo loading bay. There should be a modded version of this, but I'm not sure. If there is one, it'll be invented later. Doop. Trucks, give me some steel. Flatbed, 5 tons, hooray. Although, I don't think there's any trucks that can actually haul plastic or automobiles, because the mod that added all this industry, I don't think it came with any trucks to haul that. I'm not sure about the ships. I think I might have actually forgotten to modify them to carry plastic and scrap metal and such. Well, I'll probably focus mostly on rails anyway. And I can always mod them. Mod them any moment I want. Because I know how. St. Louis West, Kansas City. I wouldn't call that Kansas City though. Where the hell is Kansas City even? Over here. Let's change it to something else after I put an order here. For... Oops, damn it, did I... Ah, fuck, I built a hopper. How did that happen? It's gotta be a flatbed. Full load of steel, baby. Let's change this to Kansas City Factory. And build more trucks. Oh, nothing yet, probably because the ratings. Although this naming convention might cause some trouble because the all the vehicles share like a common whatever list of names. So if I use this for a truck name, it can't be used for a train either, or ship, or any type of vehicle. So I should try to somehow incorporate the vehicle type here. But how? T for train or T for truck? B could be for bus. S for ship. But then there's T for tram. Maybe it just has to be a full like truck. are true. Steel truck, let's put full. I'll leave the dot out to save space. Might as well take this out. Whoops, damn it. First page down, which is my auto pause like key thing to build tracks quickly, and I didn't even remember to use it while building this thing. Steel truck. St. Louis number 1. Steel. Number 2. Now they're getting the stuff. Needs a bit more. Oops, wrong way, this way. Another one. Workers celebrate. Someone is taking iron to another steel mill, damn it. Maybe I'll only name trucks or something like that. I don't have to name all the vehicle types, as long as one of them is something other than steel. St. Louis number, whatever. There we go. Let's see if they're making any bacon. Monthly profit 12, running cost 10. Barely making any dough. The trains are looking good, except for these, goddamn, because they have so many competitors. 81%, 99, 94. Well, at least this thing should get a production boost quickly. Oh man, they've got a big road here. Holy moly, so much stuff coming in. And there's only 12 companies, there should be a total of 15 eventually. And these, like the 2 last companies probably aren't even active, they haven't built their HQ yet. Yep. Oh, needs them still first. Barely, damn it. Omaha Lines is catching up. I gotta change that. Get a proper steel route going. Although I might need more iron because this fucker has competition. I should try to snag this mine before they do it. Of course that won't stop them from snagging it even after I've snagged it. They will butt on your territory. Speaking of which, I don't remember if you can build, like, nope you can't. This isn't a Railroad Tycoon where you can actually build through competitors' lines and even use their tracks, but then you have to like pay a cost fee to use their tracks. Let's try and connect these 2 dish. Someone built a bus line in Albuquerque. Wait a minute, is this one single mine? It's like massive. Looks like it is. Oh, lots of autumn colored trees over here. How the hell should I do this? I gotta get over all these fuckers. Unless I build this way, then I'd only have to go over this one track here, double track, whatever. Let's put it here. And another first grain delivery. Oh, look at this town that already built the tubular bridge. Speaking of which, I took it out, the wooden bridge, from the rail selection so that I could actually fit these two. Because the amount of bridges is limited to 7 per road or whatever type of transportation. Which is kind of stupid, but oh crap, there's a freaking HQ in the way. Damn it. Oops, wrong one. This one. Yo. Actually, it's not the bridge type that are. How can I explain this? In the game, when you make a scenario, there you can like add more than 7 bridge types to a scenario. But then when you edit the file for the tracks or the roads, if you put more than 7 like options there, then it won't work. The game will crash. I don't remember if it crashes or it doesn't even start, but neither one of those. I think it doesn't even start because like at the beginning it like keeps loading and loading, nothing happens. The load thing, bar thing goes like back and forth. So maybe they did intend for you to have more than 7 bridge types, but then something went wrong in the code, and if you do add more than 7, it'll fuck the game up. Where the hell am I going? Oh, over there, so I gotta turn somewhere here. Let's go back a bit and turn. This way. And over this asshole. Except there's not enough space. Shit. Oh well. Let's move this one space this way. It'll only bite once or sting once, whatever. Doesn't. Wait a minute. It costs 28 to build this, and I get full amount of back. Wow. I thought there was a little bit of loss there, but apparently not. Yeah, I get the full 28 back. Wow. Here we go, now I should have space. Get rid of that so that I can fit the other track. Actually, we should go below. It's more expensive though, but let's do it anyway. I already did it.